I structure my presentation in 4 parts. I'd like to tell you something about me. Because of the presentation of Mr. Franzelin, I say just 2 words about the working students formula, then my personal experience, and at the end, the conclusion about my experience. About my educational careers, after concluding my high school in electrical engineering and automation, I decided to attend the Bachelor in Logistics and Production Engineering with the formula working students. Because of this particular kind of program, I had the possibility to begin in the same time my working experience by the company Iveco in Bolzano. Even if I get a proposal from Iveco 5 months before concluding my bachelor, I decided to change my job experience, accepting a job offer from a management consultant in Bolzano. Moreover, 1 year later, I continue my collaboration with the University of Bolzano as teaching assistant and research assistant. You can see in the slide that because of this kind of dual program, this working students formula gives the possibility to the students to have a share point between university and work. So just 2 words about the formula. We have already seen that it's a bachelor study program in logistics and production engineering. It's a 4-year study plan instead of 3, with a specific study plan customized to combine study and work in the West way, because it's not so easy to combine both experience in the same time. And for these reasons, the formula working students allow the students to attend a specific study plan. We have a multilingual didactic, Italian, German, and English. The students has the possibility to get a monthly salary of €600 per month, increasing €100 per month every year. These mosquitoes. They continue for the whole presentation, I think. Okay, the professor at the University of Bolzano are not always only professors, but they are tutors, because they have to support the students for the study groups at the university and the company projects. Mr. Franzelin already explained that we are 10 students per year. It's not so difficult to have professors as tutors, but they are really, really important. And Martin already explained that the tutors, either in the company or in the university, play really a very important role. And at the end, to conclude this description, we have a large number of local companies as partners which are available to recruit working students. So about my personal experience. My personal experience is the same one as the other students. I had, after concluding my high school, I had the same problems to decide between studying and working, because it's the most of the students has to decide between university campus or a company headquarters, between theory or praxis, between paying or be paid. And for these reasons, I decided for a working students formula by Iveco, in my case, because this difference, because we don't have this difference between paying and be paid, because we have to pay the fee, the annual fee, but I got a salary for the company. So just 2 words about my company where I was employed. Iveco in Bolzano is a defense vehicle division which produce peacekeeping vehicles, but with civil vehicles and other products for the company worldwide. Iveco, we have there is Iveco in Madrid too, Magirus, Pegaso, Magirus. So Iveco is well known worldwide. The department where I was employed were the work analysis department, the production planning, the mechanical department, and the logistics because of my project. I had the possibility to work in four departments because I had to implement my project, and I will explain to you in 2 slides. My project was focused on a specific product, the transfer case. Transfer case is a mechanical product, mechanical group, which distributes the power between the engine and the wheels. And the initial situation, it was not so easy because the forecast of the market fluctuation was impossible. The production, we had the production to order, and the production planning was a disaster because it was really difficult to forecast the customer demands. We had high wastes in the production and a not so good organization in the production line. So what about the academical and the company goals? The company goals were monitoring and improving the entire value chain of the products, from the customer demand to the production planning, from the supplier to the production flow, from the delivery to the production quality. This is a typical value chain of a product. But now the question is, in which way the university and the company for this kind of project find the share point. These slides show you, in the left side of the slides, the list of the exam. And I marked with a yellow color the exam that I used to improve, to develop my project. And in this post-it, I write the exam that I used for each department. So due to the efficient involvement of the university and the tutors, it was possible to combine the university program and the company goals. This is the tutor that helped me. At the end of my project, it was possible for me to reach important results for me as student and for the company, because I improved the production planning with a new production planning tool. For example, I introduced a new forecast tool based on statistical theory and so on. I improved the transport logistics with the new transport containers, decreasing the material packaging and the manpower costs, for example. And at the end, the production flow was increased, the production capacity. So the students, in my specific case, but also the other students had the possibility to combine with a real project, the academical program and the company goals. Here there are a little example of the result that I achieved. This is the production planning tool. This is the production line reorganization. Okay, this is the spaghetti charts, and here the reorganization with a new production flow. And I achieve 20% of the increasing of the efficiency. Some picture of the production line. Yes?
They don't understand you.
Ah, sorry. Okay.
Thank you.
Like in the TV. Okay. You're welcome. Okay, do you hear me now? Okay. Good. Some picture about the production line, and now to the conclusion. In a dual program training, in a specific case, with the working students from like, the University of Bolzano bring to the students a lot of advantages. Of course, a bachelor degree, a 3 years university degree designed to provide to the students the proper tools in order to deal the daily job with a very good engineering competence because of the bachelor and a developed soft skills because the students have spent 3 years in the company talking with the colleagues. The students have the possibility, the chance to get in touch at the same time the university world and the business world. In the same time, not bachelor and then company. They have the possibility to get an economic independence during these 4 years. It's not so, it's important things for a student, I suppose. And the opportunity to work for the same company at the end of the dual program. Okay, this is not my case, but it was my personal choice. But the students have the possibility to stay in the same company after this dual program without applying, without searching any other job, or to apply for another job, but not only with 3 years bachelor, but with 3 or 4 years work experience. To the contrary, of course, there is disadvantages. The students should have a special regard because of the more duties. And they should have more aptitude for a professional career instead of a traditional student one. Okay? So thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, the students, above all, if they are interesting I'm waiting for you after the conference.